Hey, can you pull this real quick? The most panic-inducing words. If you're solving problems using data and you're competent with what you do, there will be no shortage of the problems that comes your way. You will be constantly bombarded from all directions. And with limited resources, you solve the loudest problems, not the most valuable problems. It's a recipe to keep others happy, yourself busy, without producing any meaningful results. Do not fall in this trap. I see so many organizations with hundreds of different reports in that suite that no one really looks at. And then there are two reports that gets all the traction. So one guiding principle, one question that you should frequently visit. How do I select the most valuable request to maximize my resources? It means the request coming your way should pass through some filter, some process, or even a small interview. It's an imprecise science. You will never have 100% hit rate, but it's a crucial step. And although every project will be different, consider some of the questions that you may ask. How many people will see this report? How often will they see it? What decisions will they be able to make from it? What's the value of these decisions? What's the current process and how much time will it save? And I have to warn you that people will hallucinate facts while giving answers. So be ready to sniff out the BS. Over time, you will be able to fine-tune your BS detector, improve the quality of request that comes your way, and improve this vital soft skill that will supercharge your hard skill.